Hello YouTubers, hello Conan Exile players, Dreadous here. It's another day in Conan land and I'm about to do something awesome. Well, we went through the building of the barn. You can see that this area is now open and I moved a bunch of stuff. But I'd also like to point out the way that I've laid out this barn area and then I added on this room. Found the other room wasn't big enough, so I had to increase the size of it. Got kind of a walkout area here. And the thing that I'm going to make is the map room. Now they say map room, but I think it's more map area. So one of the items that I need is a stone. The corruption stone. So I need 200. Alright, so I ended up making, in case I didn't put it in here, corrupted stone. And I ended up making 200 of those. So it's under decoration, special, map room. So I think I'm going to put the map room right here. Right about there, I think. Whoa, cool. Bracelet not attuned. Oh, it's a little bit close to this room here. Not attuned, not attuned. Teleport. Okay, so that's the one in the middle of what looks like the Lost City. And that one's pretty far away. That's where I got the chest from. So these are the only two I have. I guess the real question is, can I just go there? So I'm going to grab Lion and the horse. Horse is now following. And we're going to go to... yeah, we're going to go to this one right here. Wow. Alright, we did it. We're now over here.
I came north with a companion, a Shemite who cut me from the cross. He died on the road, but before he did, we saw the deal of this land.
He's so
Here,
quiet.
we have an ancient battlefield. I have also ventured into the east, but you see it here.
Let's go see if we can get some stuff off that berserker. He's a good farm. There's also this kind of back way here. What's going on here? Is this the Mound of the Dead? Oh, it's the Ravaged Barrows. Oh, okay. Whoa! I don't know if he likes that sword, although he should. It's like a 75. There's like a pass through? Weird. Hi, how's it going? Oh, got some gold out of the deal. We got Thorgan's notes. Oh, there he is. Oh, I see how you're stuck there. Nice. What did I get there? I got another... So what is this one weighing in at? 11? It's kind of worth it though, right? Hey, look at, I'm at 857 or 736. Yeah, I actually need him. Alright, we're rolling up on the base. I put a set of stairs here. Alright guys, there was an update today. And the update was for the coin. So I'm just dropping off some coin. But if you go to this guy, you can see that the numbers have all changed. So now silver bars are worth 3 each. Silver coins is 10 cents. Gold coins, $1. Gold bars, 30 bucks. Argosian braziers are worth 90 each. And then the bountiful treasure chest is worth 450. Which is pretty significant. That's like half of it right there is on that chest. So there you go, I'm at 925 and I'm happy. Holy crap, I got Hanuman's Gata. And it's got a 96. Weighs in 50. That one definitely needs the weight reduction. I mean, that's if I use it. Aha. Okay, so in order to get it, I need hardened steel tools. There we go. There's the answer. Well, here, I'll just click on this. Hardened steel tools. I'll unlock that. Click on this, unlock it. Okay, so now we should be able to see. There's that one. Now what's this here? Iron bar. Spiked weapon fitting. Armor penetration. Ooh, that would be nice. I don't think I have enough hardened steel bar. I think I have some. Yeah, I only got 5 here. And 1 here. So how do I make hardened steel bars anyway? I want to go to this location. Alright, so let's take a look at what I'm wearing here. I've got the veneer heavy clothes, and he's got the boots and the pauldron, which means we need helms and all kinds of stuff. Think so? I'm not getting hit by him.
Joy of slaying, so I can carve it on your pyre.
There we go. That's exactly. Wow, did I die that much? That gives me the 943. Got some gloves. Scroll maybe? No, no scroll. Gotta be a chest or two in here, right? Whoa. There he is. Alright, here we go. Getting into the winter. Oh man. It's the middle of the summer at the time of this recording, and I'm just gonna be honest, I kinda miss the snow. Oh, the feeling has passed. Hello, Frost Giant. The outcast camp.
The Frost Giants, the children of Ymir, my kin, they do not appreciate abstractions. No one detested my musings so much as our leader, Hrungnir of the Frost. Hrungnir was a creature of instinct. He only existed in the immediate present. Battle and blood, and the steam rising off a slain enemy. These were all he valued. Hrungnir commanded that I cease spouting my blossoms. Cease.
Alright, we're gonna see how my temperature holds up. Alright, we get into cold. Alright, we're gonna need to do a little swap here. The gloves, the boots. So he's at 897 and I'm at 1,000. But it says here I'm very cold. So I'm gonna take some spiced shivers, warming up. Skyfall Ridge. Okay, well I don't seem to be dying, so start with this guy.
To the Outlander!
Get this guy.
For the north!
Oh, it didn't do anything. Alright, awesome. Okay, so now for the fun part. Definitely I'm not dying, right? Swear to God, I die up here, I'm gonna be so upset. Alright. There he is. Crap. Okay, we're gonna throw some ice off the side here. Nice.
Carve it on your pyre!
Yeah, on your pile. A goldstone. I'm at 99. Okay, so what did I end up getting as far as the... Yeah, I got some blood crystal. Alright, well, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm heading back. Goodbye, giant. Good luck in your musings. There's another portal over here near Sepamaru, and I'm gonna go and tag that on the way back over to my base. Alright, and there it is. You see up there that purple haze? Yeah, that's the good shit. Oh, and check this out, okay? This here is Braga's story. So you know Braga? This is him. This is Braga. This is where a dude died. And this is Braga getting upset about it. So So we learned laugh heartily and polite laugh. I am done, the venom is coursing through my veins, and slowly, insidiously, I am dying. I no longer feel my legs. I wonder how many others like me this desert has claimed. Even Taciturn Braga has shown some concern. You're truly cursed when a Cimmerian takes pity upon you. I told him a joke about a sheep to cheer him up. He cursed and spat in the fire. As I write this, my companion is snoring loudly, and my hand is firmly grasping the dagger that will end me. I will go into the afterlife by my own terms. Well, it's a little morbid. Wonder what the joke was about the sheep. Do you have any sheep jokes? That's a good one, Lion. Lion. Alright, on the way back through. Ready to be attuned. Obelisk attuned. Good day, clan members. I may have the mats in order to make a fridge. Pretty excited about that, I'm sure. We got a few gold bars here. Throwing in 5 plus another 6 of those. So where are we at there? Oh, we got over 1,000. Alright, YouTubers, Conan Exile players, well, I have a little something, a treat, so to speak. I'm going to put this in here. Now, what I need is another leg, right? An iron leg. So I've got an iron torso, an iron empty arm, an iron with a Sith, and the Radium Guardian head. Then I'm going to take all these body parts here, including this one. We go over to the table. Gonna throw all the bits on here, and we're gonna craft. Rise, O being of iron. Rise so you may mow my lawn. Yes. Oh, he's got the radium eyes and he's got the scythe. Let's take a look at his stats. 13,000. This is what I want you to do. Okay? I'm going to get you to stand guard. I'm going to get you to go and stand guard right here. Okay? Then I'm going to take all this stuff. I don't know why it just didn't transfer. There we go. And off he goes. Honestly, I think he should end up camping out at the front of the base here. Oh, he's just picking it. He's not actually harvesting it. Oh, well, I'll leave him to his business. So there's my collector. Is there anything else out here for him to collect? There we go. This is actually one of the main reasons I picked this area. There it is, preservation box. Okay, so I need hardened steel, insulated wood, Black ice. Oh shit. Did you use all the black ice? No. Phew. Hardened steel, black ice. So, kitchen? There's a thrall pots for the thralls. Right? The fridge. Well. Fridge, that's for me. Nothing. Look at that. Wow. Alright, cool. Well, I think I'll leave all my ice in there for now. Not enough room. Okay, so there, except for... Well, I could actually heal my thrall through attacks. Commanding presence. Your active followers are inspired by your battle prowess. You have their health restored when you deal damage in combat. It's pretty good. 25% faster. My stamina goes up pretty fast right now. Could finish out expertise, and I could be a hard worker. But I think the authoritarian, like, that's just too good of a buff. Oh, we're not engaged in combat? I like this one. Alright, and then we've got knowledge. Let's see here, is there anything that I want to do? Gardener? I don't need gardener. Raider armor. No way, the Stygian armor set. It's a decent set. Oh, but the Harcanian Raider. Okay. I could have got this whole time. Ooh, greater civilization armor. Okay, so now we're talking. We're getting into, so there's the Stygian soldier. I mean, technically the gear I'm wearing is better. Yeah, if you think there's anything that I should get here, leave a comment. Check it out, you can put the torch right in the middle of the base. In fact, I'm gonna put it where my base is. So the river comes up here. The base is right there. That's where we are. There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. Cool. Alright, well, I'm in the middle of making another room. Alright, base Eagle Eye is getting bigger and bigger by the day. I'm gonna go and check out our golem here. Alright, look at what he's got. Oh, he's got bees too. How about we take all this stuff? I mean, not bad. Got a lot of Azure Glory. Well, YouTubers, Conan Exile players, thanks for joining me on this episode. We managed to get some ice boxes, got some gear, put in the map room, did some base upgrades, and yeah, it was a pretty productive evening. Like and subscribe, and come back for more Conan action.